Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khobor ke baman takasi. Unong yalam bahakli du kaseng kongres kata Rahul Gandhi ulakren shpang ka jingcha ha Manipur ha ka jingelang jongka parti kongres ha Mizoram. Ha kate ke jingelang Rahul Gandhi ulakno iya ka BJP bakala penjot iya ka Manipur. Shushu ulo ongru bahaki benai ki baladep ulale cham Manipur. Ka jingmur jongka Manipur kaladep penjot daka BJP. Ulo ongru bakam desu kawai ka jela handrai artli ki jela ulai thuru baki brew kila sha pniap ki kintai kila sha le bi ijot ki khnum khna kila sha pniap handrai prime minister pat uklem shim ka jingkit kli ban le jingo iya ka jela Manipur. Haka jingkren chung Rahul Gandhi haka meeting chung ha Mizoram ulong pa prime minister kari India Narendra Modi ukham don ka jingsngau yak ei kabala jah Israel ban yak ei kabala jah hapo ka jela Manipur. Ulong ru baka jingmut jongka Kongres Parti Bharat Jodo kalong ban kenteu ya ka jing yasothu markiliang ka jingesha ka jingstat nakiwe ki jingsothu ka tien bat kinyam ban piam ka jing iwei ya iwei lajar kataru ka jingmut ka BJP kalong ka ding bengkiang namar bakalong persya yaki pajba yakanyam kaktin kariti kadustur bat ka penslur yaki jingklumar ka jingsorong bat ka jingduna haka jinget tiplem bat ka ni kalong persya yaka jingmut jongka India handrai ka jingmut jongke India kabangi tibaro bakadai ban burom iwei bat bani e markeliang habaro kiliang.
Some months ago I went to Manipur and I could not believe what I saw. The idea of Manipur has been destroyed by the BJP. It is no longer a state. It is now two states. People have been murdered, women have been molested, babies have been killed, but the Prime Minister doesn't find it important to travel there. It's amazing to me that the Prime Minister and the government of India are so interested in what is happening in Israel, but not interested at all in what is happening in Manipur.